Planning a trip to St. Thomas, Virgin Islands, and wondering how to make the most of it? Imagine this. You're standing on a beach, untouched by human interference. The sand between your toes as fine as powdered sugar. The water in front of you mirrors the clear sky, both adorned with a spectrum of blues that change as the sun dances across the sky. As the evening draws near, the atmosphere starts to buzz with an energy that you can only find in St. Thomas. Neon lights begin to dot the landscape, music filled with Caribbean rhythms echoing through the air. Beyond the beach, the island life is a fusion of Caribbean and American cultures, each influencing the other in a beautiful harmony. Exotic food, rich history, breathtaking landscapes, and friendly locals complete the masterpiece that is St. Thomas. Welcome to the paradise that is St. Thomas. Start by exploring Magens Bay, consistently ranked as one of the world's top beaches. Known for its spellbinding beauty and serene atmosphere, this beach is a paradise on earth. Wrapped in the warm embrace of nature's bounty, the beach is a haven for those who thirst for tranquility. Adorned with the pristine beauty of white sandy shores, the beach is a canvas painted with the exquisite colors of tranquility. These tranquil waters, mirror clear, reflect the breathtaking beauty of the Caribbean sky. The gentle touch of the waves, breaking upon the shore, whispers tales of the ocean's mysteries. This beach is a symphony, where the music of the sea, the rustling leaves, the palm trees, and the chirping of birds come together in a harmonious chorus. As you walk along the shoreline, feel the soft sand under your feet, the cool sea breeze in your hair, and let the melody of the ocean soothe your soul. The beach is not just a place, but an experience. A day here is not merely spent, but savored, each moment a memory etched in the canvas of your heart. The best time to visit in the morning or late afternoon. This is when the beach is at its most peaceful, devoid of the bustling crowds and the harsh midday sun. Soaking in the quietude, you can truly connect with the rhythms of nature. And don't forget to pack some local fruit and drinks for a picnic under the palm trees. When hunger strikes, St. Thomas presents an irresistible spread of tantalizing culinary creations. A gastronomic paradise, it boasts a vivid and diverse food landscape that is a true delight for every food lover. With its unique blend of indigenous ingredients and traditional cooking styles, St. Thomas offers a memorable culinary journey that captivates the hearts of tourists and locals. One of the highlights is the sumptuous seafood offered by the renowned restaurant, Hook, Line, and Sinker. Here you can relish the freshest catch of the day, cooked to perfection and served with an assortment of delectable sides. Their rich, flavorful dishes are a testament to the island's love for seafood. For a taste of authentic local cuisine, Gladys's Cafe is the place to be. This Cherish serves up dishes that are deeply rooted in St. Thomas culture. With its welcoming atmosphere and mouth-watering menu, it promises an unforgettable dining experience. In addition to these gems, the island is dotted with a multitude of dining establishments, each offering their unique spin on local and international cuisines. Whether you crave a sumptuous buffet or a cozy cafe, St. Thomas has something for everyone. What's more, dining options in St. Thomas range from the economically friendly to the downright luxurious, catering to every budget. So no matter your taste or pocket size, you are sure to find something that suits you perfectly. Dining in St. Thomas can range from affordable to luxurious, catering to every budget. But a visit to St. Thomas isn't complete without experiencing its vibrant nightlife. This island, with its tropical allure and striking landscape, comes alive at night, a nocturnal playground for everyone. Those who are musically inclined will find themselves enchanted by the vibrant live music scene. Imagine the rhythmic beats of steel drums merging with the nighttime ocean breeze, or the infectious, irresistible pulse of reggae and music pouring out from lively open-air bars. On the other hand, beach bars dot the coastline, providing paradisiacal places to relax while sipping on local rums mixed into delightful tropical concoctions. Underneath a sky sprinkled with stars, these beach bars offer a beautiful, laid-back ambiance, featuring comfortable lounge chairs, tiki torches, and the soothing sound of waves lapping against the shore. For those who prefer a more refined evening, there's a world of fancy cocktails to indulge in. Sophisticated lounges serve of unique, exotic drinks, each meticulously crafted by seasoned mixologists. Here, you can experience the art of cocktail making, witnessing the theatrical show of shakers, stirrers, and garnishes all in a dance to create your perfect drink. Whichever way you choose to spend your evening, the nightlife of St. Thomas is undoubtedly an experience unto itself. A word of advice, though, always ensure you have a safe ride back to your accommodation. Of course, St. Thomas isn't just about beaches and food. This mesmerizing island is an exquisite blend of natural beauty and cultural heritage. Far beyond its pristine, white sandy beaches and delicious local food, it offers a vibrant living history that tells tales of centuries past. As you traverse the scenic landscape, you are constantly reminded of the rich traditions and customs that have shaped St. Thomas into the cultural mosaic it is today. One such way to step back in time and experience this history firsthand is by visiting the Fort Christian. Constructed in the year 1679, this architectural marvel offers an intimate window into the island's checkered past. Walking through its solemn corridors, you can almost hear the echoes of ancient stories and legends that continue to resonate with the island's inhabitants. Not only that, but the island also invites you to immerse yourself in its daily life. A perfect place to do so is the bustling market square. Once a hub of historical trade, the place now thrives with colorful stalls brimming with local fruits, vegetables, and handcrafted treasures. It is a hive of activity and a testament to the enduring spirit of the locals. The square provides a unique opportunity to interact with the local populace, understand their way of life, and carry home more than just souvenirs, but memories of a lifetime. The island is rich in history and culture. Visit the 1679-built Fort Christian for a glimpse into the island's past, or take a stroll through the bustling market square, a historical trade market where you can now find local fruits, vegetables, and crafts. Now, as you immerse yourself in the beauty and hospitality of St. Thomas, let the island's charm wash over you. Take a moment to admire the stunning landscapes, the crystalline waters bordering sandy shores, the lush greenery that seems to spring from every crevice. Remember the importance of respecting the customs of this island paradise. Understand that your actions can significantly impact the local culture and nature. Dress modestly when not on the beach. It's not just a matter of courtesy, it's a cultural expectation. When you respect the local customs, you'll find that your experiences are richer, deeper, and more authentic. Care for the wildlife as well. Refrain from touching or feeding them, as this can disrupt their natural behaviors and sometimes can put them in danger. Engage in responsible tourism practices, such as observing wildlife from a distance and appreciating their beauty without interference. And remember, one of the simplest yet most impactful ways you can respect St. Thomas is by disposing of trash properly. A clean environment benefits both the local ecosystem and future visitors. So, as you marvel at the natural beauty of St. Thomas, remember to leave it as you found it. In terms of cost, St. Thomas can be as affordable or as luxurious as you make it. This enchanting Caribbean paradise effortlessly caters to a myriad of financial expectations with a beautiful blend of both budget-friendly and luxurious options. For the traveler on a shoestring budget, St. Thomas offers a plethora of guest houses that exude warmth and personability without causing a dent in your wallet. These accommodations, though light on the pocket, uphold the spirit of St. Thomas, blending comfort and authentic island vibes. For those who do not mind splurging a little, the island boasts a number of high-end resorts. Think infinity pools overlooking vast azure waters, rooms with panoramic views, personal butler services, and world-class spa facilities. These resorts are a testament to the opulence that St. Thomas has to offer. When it comes to gastronomy, the spectrum is equally diverse. Street food in St. Thomas is a culture in itself, serving as a window into the island's soul. Every corner teems with vendors selling local favorites, allowing you to feast without breaking the bank. On the other hand, for those seeking a more sophisticated culinary experience, there are gourmet restaurants that serve up delicacies that are nothing short of culinary art. These establishments promise to satiate your palate with dishes that are both aesthetically pleasing and gastronomically satisfying, prepared by world-renowned chefs. When it comes to St. Thomas, you're in control of your budget. From budget-friendly guest houses to high-end resorts, and from street food to gourmet restaurants, the choice is yours. So, to sum it up, the best way to enjoy St. Thomas is by exploring its famous Magens Bay early in the morning or late afternoon. The island is as beautiful as it is historic, nestled in the Caribbean with a panoramic view of the turquoise waters. Embark on a journey of fine dining, where you can savor the authentic local cuisine, from delicious seafood to exotic fruits you've never tasted before. Try the world-renowned conch fritters for an explosion of flavors you won't forget. But the gastronomic adventure doesn't end there. Get ready to dive into the local yummy rum, a staple drink that showcases the island's colonial history. As the sun sets, immerse in the energetic nightlife, where local music and dance paint a vivid picture of the island's culture. This, paired with an exploration of the island's rich history, will leave you with a profound understanding of its people and their customs. Respecting these customs and the island's environment is an integral part of the journey. And remember, a sense of adventure is key to a memorable and fulfilling experience. So pack your bags. Your adventure in St. Thomas, Virgin Islands awaits. Hey there, fellow travelers. If you've enjoyed this journey across the beautiful island of St. Thomas, don't forget to show your love. Hit that like button and let us know your thoughts in the comments section. Did we miss out on your favorite spot in St. Thomas? Or perhaps you've got some travel tips you'd love to share with our community. And if you're craving for more travel guides and tips like this, is that a shark? My mistake. Make sure to subscribe to our channel. We've got a whole world to explore together, and we wouldn't want you to miss out on any of it. Remember, every like, share, and subscription helps us bring you more content and helps other travelers discover amazing places like St. Thomas. So what are you waiting for? Engage with us and join our growing community of travel enthusiasts. Until our next adventure, safe travels.